Welcome friends. In my earlier lectures, we have discussed the three-dimensional crystal systems with their different types of Bravais lattices. Also, we have discussed some simple crystal structures with respect to atomic radius, packing fraction, coordination number, and so on. We have also studied how to find the atomic area of body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic crystal structures, and we have also discussed about the Miller indices, which is one of the important concepts in the solid-state physics. In this lecture, we will discuss one more important concept in the solid-state physics, that is interplanar spacing. Here, we will study how to determine interplanar spacing of those crystal systems for which three crystallographic axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. For example, cubic crystal system, orthorhombic crystal system, and tetragonal crystal system.
Let us study the expression for interplanar spacing. Interplanar spacing is defined as the perpendicular distance between the two adjacent parallel crystal planes. It is also called as interplanar distance, and it is denoted by DHKL. Since the interplanar spacing depends upon the Miller indices of crystal plane, it is represented as DHKL. There is a relation between interplanar spacing, lattice constant, and Miller indices of the crystal plane. That expression we are going to derive. So consider a two-dimensional arrangement of the atoms in which there are sets of parallel planes. So this is a one set of parallel plane. So this is parallel plane. So this is a plane parallel to above plane. This is another parallel plane. Here the perpendicular distance between two adjacent parallel planes is nothing but the interplanar spacing, which is DHKL. Now this figure shows the three-dimensional crystal planes in which crystal planes have made intercepts along A and B axis, and it is parallel to C axis. Therefore, Miller indices of these crystal planes will be 1, 1, 0, and interplanar spacing will be this distance, which is nothing but DHKL. Now consider the crystal systems in which three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. For example, cubic crystal system, orthorhombic crystal system, and tetragonal crystal system, in which three crystallographic axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means the angles alpha, beta, and gamma between the crystallographic axes are 90 degrees. In order to find an expression for the interplanar spacing, consider a crystal plane A, B, and C having Miller indices HKL. So HKL are the Miller indices of the crystal plane A, B, C. Since you have to find the interplanar spacing between the two adjacent parallel planes, we have to consider a reference plane which is passing through the origin O. Means you have to consider two parallel planes, one reference plane passing through origin O, and next plane ABC having Miller indices HKL. Obviously, the lattice constant along A axis will be A, small a, lattice constant along B axis will be B, and lattice constant along C axis will be C. So A, B, C will be the lattice constants along A axis, B axis, and C axis respectively. And therefore, the intercepts made by the crystal plane A, B, C along A axis, B axis, and C axis will be A by H, B by K, and C by L respectively. So let ON be the perpendicular drawn between the two planes, with reference plane passing through origin and crystal plane ABC. So this ON perpendicular between the two planes will be nothing but the interplanar spacing.
Hence, ON is equal to D is the interplanar spacing between the reference plane passing through origin O and plane ABC which are parallel to each other. Now join NA, NB and join NC, so that angle NOA is equal to alpha, means this angle NOA is equal to n alpha, this angle is alpha. NOB is equal to beta, this angle NOB is equal to beta, and angle NOC is equal to gamma, so angle NOC is gamma, like this. So if you draw this triangle CON like this, you will observe that at N there will be the right angle. So the triangle ONC will be the right angle triangle, and for this right angle triangle, this angle is angle gamma, so that we can calculate cos gamma is equal to DHKL divided by C by L. C by L is the hypotenuse in this case, which is nothing but the intercept made by the crystal plane along C axis. Similarly, you can calculate cos alpha as DHKL divided by A by H. A by H will be the intercept made by the crystal plane along A axis, and cos beta is equal to DHKL divided by B by K, where B by K is the intercept made by the crystal plane along B axis. So for the geometry, we can write cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So if we put the value of cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, you will get this equation as D divided by A by H square plus D divided by B by K bracket square plus D divided by C by L bracket square is equal to 1. And if you take the square as common, you will get the equation as D HKL square into bracket H by A square plus B by K square plus L by C square is equal to 1. And if you take the square root of the terms and rearrange the terms, you will get DHKL is equal to H by A square plus K by B square plus L by C square whole raised to minus by 2. So this will be the expression for interplanar spacing for orthorhombic crystal system in which A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Similarly, we can find the expression for interplanar spacing for tetragonal crystal system for which A is equal to B and not equal to C. So if you put here in this case B is equal to A, you will get the expression for interplanar spacing for tetragonal crystal system as H by A square plus K by A square plus L by C square raised to minus 1 by 2. So rearranging the terms, you will get DHKL is equal to H square plus K square divided by A square plus L square divided by C square bracket raised to minus 1 by 2. So this will be the expression for interplanar spacing for tetragonal crystal system. For cubic crystal system, A is equal to B is equal to C. So if you put the A is equal to B is equal to C in this equation, you will get expression for interplanar spacing for cubic crystal system as DHKL is equal to H square plus K square plus L square divided by A square bracket raised to minus 1 by 2. So simplifying, you will get DHKL is equal to A divided by square root of H square plus K square plus L square. This is very important expression for interplanar spacing, which gives the relation between interplanar spacing, lattice constant and Miller indices HKL. So for cubic crystal system, 1 0 0, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 planes are the prominent planes. So if you put the values of Miller indices in this equation, you will get the interplanar spacing for 1 0 0 plane as A. For 1 1 0 plane, interplanar spacing will be A divided by square root of 2, and for 1 1 1 crystal plane, the interplanar spacing will be A divided by root 3. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.